Have you ever wondered what artificial intelligence truly is? Let's demystify it together. At its core, artificial intelligence, or AI, is simply about teaching machines to think and solve problems in ways that typically require human intelligence. Think of it as programming a computer to learn, reason, and make decisions on its own. How does it do this? AI learns from vast amounts of data, just like we learn from experience. AI finds patterns in data to make smart predictions or take actions. This is often done through complex systems inspired by the human brain called neural networks. You're already using AI every single day. It's in your voice assistants like Siri or Google Assistant. It recommends your next movie on streaming platforms, filters your spam emails, and even helps your navigation app find the fastest route. And yes, generative AI, which creates new content, is a powerful part of this. AI is a powerful tool transforming how we work and live. Understanding these basics is your first step to harnessing its potential.